Why don't they care as much as I do? Why aren't they more motivated? Hey, if you're a leader asking that, I want you to know you're not alone, but what I'm about to share with you can change everything. Basically, you're doing everything you know how to do. You're leading meetings, you're casting vision, even giving people opportunity. But the response is flat, mediocre. They're showing up, but they're not showing heart. And it's draining you. You start asking, why am I doing this? Where's my identity and my own motivation? And why don't they care like I do? And it feels heavy when you carry it alone as a leader. But let me set you free. You can't make people want to win. You can't force their passion. Do you want to hear some great tips on how to serve the unmotivated? You got to watch the docuseries called Coach Prime on Prime. But what you can do is what Deion Sanders does when he brings the juice. And here's what Coach Prime says. He goes, I don't motivate my kids. I provoke them to be the best version of themselves. What Deion knows is you can't provoke from pressure. You can't force it, but you can provide presence. You can care. You can flow from your own heart and from that overflow. So let me paint a picture. So let's say you're a coach and your team's on the field, but you're going, oh my gosh, they're flat. You have a solid plan, you have everything in place, but energy, it's dead. You're trying everything, yelling plays, giving speeches, and what my coaches in high school and college did, they threw their clipboards, but nothing changed. Then you realize they don't need more instructions. They don't need you to tell them they need to win. They need your belief, your fire. They need to feel that you believe in them and you're motivated to love them out of your own why. Because as much as you try, you can't make somebody else be motivated. Trust me, I've been a father. I am a father. So that's how Deion Sanders leads. Check it out. He doesn't just talk wins, he talks purpose, he talks identity, he talks belief. And he said this to his players, I don't just recruit players, I recruit men, I recruit leaders, I recruit dogs. And then he drives them with his own heart. You got to watch the show. This is biblical too. In Proverbs 4:23, it says, above all else, which means above all else, basically this matters more than anything else, guard your heart. For everything you do, including lead and coach and build teams, flows from you. So not just some things, everything, your leadership, your emotional temperature, the atmosphere you bring into the room, every conversation, every gathering, every huddle. So if your people aren't rising, start there. Ask yourself, am I leading from overflow? Am I connected to my bigger why, to my purpose, to my deeper truth? Or am I trying to manufacture motivation from an empty tank? Because your heart really can light up a room. Your presence will be noticed. And a spirit-filled, motivated leader doesn't need to yell to be heard. They carry presence. They provoke greatness. So like Coach Prime says, look good, feel good, play good, they pay good. You got this. Go get motivated today by working on you.